Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the little Remington here that takes these little spools on this model. We're going to put the ribbon on. So it takes these little guys here, and usually, if you get really lucky, you get one that says left spool over here on the left and a right spool on the right, but these are both rights. So the only difference is a little connection in here faces a different direction when you have a left spool, but you can make a right, two rights work. No trouble, but that's what we're going to do. So these spools are special for Remingtons. These little, these models take the same spool, and this spool, of course it's got the, says right on top, and it's got a little tiny two teeth on the bottom. So they have to go with those teeth downward. And black is on top, red is on bottom. Let's do this. I'm just going to set this here. So sometimes you have to, well, you have to get these levers free. There's one on each side. Sometimes you've got to manipulate the little reverse right here and get these levers to move. They jam up when there's not a ribbon on there. So there, get that one free. That one, oops, there it goes. It's free. So let's just start on this side. And these are a little tricky. The ribbon has got to, let me get something to guide the ribbon with here. So it's got to go on the outside of this post. There's a post here. And a little lip right there. So we can go ahead and open this door with that arm and throw this spool on there to start with. Just like that. But now this ribbon has to come up. Grab something else here to manipulate it with. Tweezers. So this has to come up over the top here. Like this. And down on the outside here. And underneath this little piece. And then you gotta make sure it's on the inside of that arm. See, it's hard to see in here. This is not the easiest ribbon to put on. So it's in the right place. So it went on the inside of that arm. And then you can kind of tighten this up like that. And you can see that it's just about right like that now. So, a little tricky. Definitely not your easiest ribbon to install. Let's do this side and we'll see the same thing on this side. So we'll just pull this through a little bit. And move that lever out of the way, drop it in there. And again, we're going to manipulate it to the outside of this post, underneath this little lap. There it goes. So it's right. The arm should be able to come out, and then it goes into the ribbon spool like that. And that closes. So that's right. And you can use these knobs to feed it. Push in, it goes the other way. Pull it out, it comes this way. It's got a knob on both sides. Now what we're going to do is feed it in the middle here, which is actually the easy part. So we just loosen it back here like that. The back like that. And underneath those little forks. That's it right there. She is ready to try. Let's see if this thing is going to work this morning. Oops. Gotta raise the basket on this one. Here we go. Yeah, it's looking alright. See if it does red. Good deal. Alright, that's how you get ribbon on one of these little guys. Of course, this guy's got the retractable, so now you can see it. Now you don't. Nice little typewriter. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.